Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I decided to prepare salad dressing recipe because many of you all asked me about the recipe, and so I want to share it with you all. So to begin with, here are the ingredients. It's very simple and very easy to prepare and very delicious also, very tasty, and just 2 minutes you can prepare your salad dressing. So for this you'll require some fresh cream. Okay, you can use fresh cream from the dairy, or you can use this packed one. Then mixed herbs. So in this you will find all the herbs, so you don't have to add it separately. So here are the you can check the ingredients here. Okay, I prefer to use this one. All the herbs you will get. And olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. It gives a very good taste to your salad dressing. And some few drops of lemon juice, some salt to taste, and also pepper. Okay, so let's begin quickly. Into this bowl I'm going to add the fresh cream, and the quantity will depend on how much you require. So I'm not being very precise with the quantity. So just see that you add fresh thick cream. I like my recipe very creamy and with lots of cream in it because it adds good taste. In this I'm going to add olive oil, 2 tablespoons, going to add some mixed herbs. Okay, that's enough. Some salt to taste, just a pinch of salt. Okay, and then some pepper powder. So a little bit of pepper powder, I think that's enough. And now mix it. Oh, I forgot some few drops of lemon juice. That's enough. Give it a nice mix. It. Wow, just the aroma of it is superb. See, so thick and nice. So dear viewers, my simple easy little recipe of the salad dressing is ready, and you can also use this as a salad dressing. You can use it as a dip, as a topping for any of your dishes that you prepare. And yes, so do try this out and let me know how you liked this easy simple recipe of mine. I'll also be coming up with more such salad dressing recipes. So bye bye, I'll see you all in my next video. throw it like that. Got some olives in this. Okay. Very tasty. Want to taste?